Where are we putting that red plate? We got somewhere special?
In the bed, I sleep with it then.
Step by step.
I'm digging shit over the finish line.
What about the tyres? Are they hooking up good today?
The best ones out there.
Un podio del campionato europeo.
Hey guy, good afternoon. I am Gigi. The guy are okay. Mechanic also. Tire number one, absolutely. And we will see. But I think that Bauer and Ernecker is fast.
So we didn't vlog the second round, but now both of the boys have picked up a win.
Yeah, they did a good job. It was, EMX is quite complicated. You have to be constantly on the top position because it can happen everything. And we just made 2 races, but so we do race after race and we concentrate moto after moto because that's the important thing for me. But both riders are performing good and I'm quite happy and satisfied with them. So let's see if we can continue this way.
How important is it in the team to have 2 very competitive riders, but kind of keep them focused, especially at a young age?
It's good and bad, but I would say especially on this age, for me the competition, internal competition, is always a really good motivation because everyone wants to be the rooster, and when you have 2 roosters on the same spot, then you're gonna increase the level for both riders up. So that's the important thing. Doesn't matter which one is better, but everyone is fighting for be the best of the team, and this for sure improved both skills on the track, and then hopefully they get a good ride for next year.
Qualifying done, mate. You were nearly 3 seconds quicker in that one, so feeling good?
Yeah, I mean, I like the track, I like the circuit. I think I'm better in sand, so let's see what the weekend brings us.
Feeling confident after Switzerland?
Yeah, with this bike especially.
What about the tyres? Are they hooking up good today?
The best ones out there. I'm digging shit over the finish line.
What, are you going to do the bow and arrow?
Yeah.
1 minute.
Just out of right as possible. Tried to follow them and be consistent and then trying them to push. So yeah, with the defense some show I think with the penalty. So yeah, it was really good race day. Yeah. No, it was easy I think. No.
No, how was the track?
Yeah, it was tough, but in the end I just tried to follow them. They made quite much mistakes. Lenny was good, but then I got the flow again and I just tried to be consistent.
Same again tomorrow?
I hope so.
I am happy. The Moritz is more fast. The tire is perfecto. Engine perfecto. Moritz have more head. Is fast but have head. European tomorrow is another guy, another race, step by step.
Nella classe 125 si entra verso lo skybox, la corte della classe 125.
secondi, al via!
Del Salvador che ha spuntato.
Più o meno con gli stessi tempi, triplo lancio Monster. Un traguardo tranquillo in seconda al centro del podio mentre festeggia un podio del campionato europeo. Norris style.
Too many trophies, mate.
Yeah, collecting.
You're gonna have to buy a new suitcase.
Yeah, I think so. No, it's good.
How was it?
Really good, but yeah, then lost the first place, but yeah, took the overall win, and that was the important stuff again.
3 races, 3 podiums, 2 wins.
Yeah, that's quite good. That's quite good.
Who's putting that red plate? We got somewhere special?
In the bed, I sleep with it then. No, kidding, but I have some place in my room, and then I will put it there.
Many more to come.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
What's next for you?
Arco next weekend again.
Yeah, you like Arco? Ridden it much? Or?
Yeah, I read there a lot, but yeah, we will see next weekend.
Another good weekend?
Really good. Could be better yesterday for Ricardo, but all in all he was sick. Last 2 weeks he was pretty sick. He had a high fever, lost 4 kilos as I expect. It was a tough race yesterday. Made two small mistakes which cost him a lot of points. But in the end, today, let's say he was tough till the end, even if he's not fit, and he could manage to finish third. And Moritz, it was just riding as he knows, very smart, take the start and then pull away. And when he see the Goyer was coming a bit faster, he think about the overall from the day and the championship, so he managed to finish second easy. I would say I'm pretty happy about the 2 boys.
It's back, P3 in that moto. We'll take it, won't we?
Yeah. I mean, for that I was like the whole weekend coming off to here sick with 39 degrees fever. It was pretty good. Made some points, made my way up the front. I mean, tough days, make champions.
This weekend it closed very, very fantastic. The dream come true. The guy very, very strong. Ricardo have a problem here physical, but step by step come back. Moritz is the rider that have had yesterday. So I am happy. The team is okay. All is okay. Fantastic. See you in Arco di Trento.
Si festeggia un podio del campionato europeo. Norris style per